Hi everyone, this is Sunny from Bota. This is our factory, and this area is for all welding rotators and manipulator for delivery. Here I would like to introduce our 100 turns adjustable welding rotator for you. This one set is our standard 100 turns welding rotator export to our Russia customer. Now we test it. We are going to show you the test work. First, we turn on the power source. Now you can see the light is green. It means the power is on. Then we start to control the runner, the wheels. This button we can adjust the speed. You can see the number is changing. That means the speed is changing. Low speed to high speed. And this button is for turn on and turn off. Here is stop. Up is work. And this emergency stop button. And this button is for forward and reverse. The wheels forward. Here, forward rotating. You can see the wheels forward rotating.
哎，让它旋转一周，要不是看。 好，可以了。
Okay, stop. Now we would like to show you the control box inside. Here we use the famous brand electronic spare parts. Very good organized.
这里航空插头，这个是联控插头。
This is the rotator link for connect the welding manipulator or welding positioner. Yeah, the link cable. And this is the hand control box, the collecting cable. And the color, the color is yellow. It's customized color. And you can tell us what color you want. Then we can paint the color as required. So this one we already packed. So we put the ideal runners here. It will save the delivery space. So this one is ready to ship. That's all. Thank you.